Hello students, today we are going to discuss daily assignment dated 5/8/2020. First question. Kingdom Animalia is characterized by. This means which type of organisms are placed in Kingdom Animalia. First option, heterotrophic, correct, prokaryotes, wrong. Animals are not prokaryotes. Next, heterotrophic eukaryotes, correct answer. Kingdom Animalia is included with these organisms. Next, autotrophic eukaryotes, wrong. Autotrophic prokaryotes, also wrong. Hence, for the question, second option is correct answer. Next, second question. The animals directly or indirectly depends on plants. For what? For food, correct amma. For reproduction, for locomotion, wrong. For reproduction, wrong. All, also wrong. Plants are primary producers, on that plants herbivores depend, on that herbivores carnivores depend. Like that, in food chain one organism depends on other organism for food mainly. Hence correct answer is first option. Next, third question. This group of organisms digest in their food in an internal cavity and store food reserves as a glycogen or fat. It is the kingdom. See, the digestion take place in internal canal is the characteristic feature of only animals. In Monera, Protista, Plantae, fungi. In all these kingdoms, cavity, digestive cavity is absent. Okay, see, internal cavity is absent. Hence, the correct answer is Animalia. Fourth option is correct answer. In Plantae, internal cavity for digestion of food is absent. In fungi, it is absent. In Monera also, it is absent. The correct answer is fourth option, Animalia. Next, fourth question. The mode of nutrition in Animalia is, as the animals do not have chlorophyll, they are heterotrophic organisms. See, holozoic by ingestion of food is correct answer. Holozoic by ingestion of food means they do not prepare their food, they engulf the food. Okay. Holophytic, wrong. Holophytic means autotrophic nutrition. Saprophytic, decomposers, wrong. Saprozoic, decomposers, wrong. Saprophytic means decomposers on plants. Saprozoic means decomposers on animals. Animals, first of all, not decomposers. They are heterotrophic organisms. They engulf the food. Next, fifth question. Which of the following lacks cell walls? Directly, completely. Which kingdom has no cell wall means completely we can say Animalia alone. In prokaryotes, most of organisms have cell wall. Monera. In kingdom Protista, organisms have cell wall. In kingdom Fungi, organisms have cell wall. Kingdom Plantae, organisms have cell wall. The organisms without cell wall or the animal kingdom is only the kingdom without cell walls. Hence, direct answer is animals. Okay, plants have cell wall, fungi have cell wall. All protistants, not all protistants, chrysophytes have cell wall. Dinoflagellates also have cell wall. Hence, these are discarded. Next, sixth question. Elaborate sensory neuromotor mechanism is found in. Elaborate neuromotor sensory mechanism is found in higher forms of animals. In higher forms of direct textbook line, it is higher forms of animals have elaborate sensory mechanism. For example, we have brain, spinal cord, we are able to analyze. This capacity is not present in lower animals and it is not present at all in other kingdoms. It is present only in animal kingdom. Okay, right. Hence, answer is second option. Next, seventh question. Most of the animals have locomotor structures, not capable of locomotion, wrong. Able to prepare food, wrong. Animals cannot prepare food material. Not able to sense, wrong. They have neuromotor mechanism, they are able to sense. They have neurons. Next, capable of locomotion. It is correct answer. For seventh question, fourth option is correct answer. See, fourth question, first option, Zoic nutrition by ingestion of food. Fifth question, animals. Sixth question, higher animals. Seventh question, capable of locomotion. Okay. Next, eighth question. In animals, sexual reproduction occurs by copulation of male and female up to this correct, not followed by embryological development. Wrong statement, amma. In animals, copulation of male and females occurs. Immediately it is followed by embryo development. Hence, first option is wrong. Second option, copulation of male and female followed by embryo development. Correct. Formation of non-motile spores. Wrong. Alternation of generations. Alternation of generations is the characteristic feature of plant kingdom. Okay, right. Next, ninth question. These are multicellular and their cells lack cell wall. These are multicellular and their cells lack cell wall. Multicellular organisms we have to choose, and without cell wall we have to choose. Plants, multicellular, correct, but lack cell wall is given. Plants have cell wall, it is wrong. Fungi, multicellular, lack cell walls, wrong. Fungi have cell walls. Protozoans are unicellular, hence it is not correct answer. Animals, multicellular and their cells lack cell walls. Fourth option is correct answer. Next, 10th question. These organisms follow definite growth pattern and grow into adults that have a definite shape and size. This is related to plants. Direct textbook line, it is related to animals. In animals, they grow definite. They show definite growth pattern. They show definite growth pattern, and they develop into adults with a particular size and shape. Okay. Hence, animals is correct answer. Bacteria, wrong. Plants, wrong. More than one option also wrong. Okay, see, these organisms follow definite growth pattern and grow into adults that have a definite size and shape. Textbook line, animals is the correct answer. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.